Hi, this is Lana from Hopping In, and welcome to part 4 of our guide on starting a daycare center. In the last 3 videos, we've learned everything about location, red tape, and funding your daycare. Today is the time to start talking about construction, so make sure you got your toolbox on hand. Build-outs and building modifications are a reality of opening a daycare center unless you're buying or leasing an existing daycare. That's why it's important to find an architect experienced in working on daycare centers and contractors who know that following requirements is a must. For this, you can turn to friends and family, and in case that fails, consult review pages like Yelp and Facebook to read reviews. The best contractor is the one who can stick to exact specifications and work at a good pace. In addition to your main renovations, don't forget to consider everything from wall colors, bathroom fixtures, light fixtures, and baseboards, as well as all the other details. We recommend a wood appearance vinyl for flooring because it looks good and it's durable no matter how many toys you throw at it. It's always good to double check and follow the stricter rules, just in case. Your daycare center will also need a fire alarm system, which can cost up to $40,000 for the entire daycare center. You may also be required to have 2 points of exit from each classroom. They should lead to different destinations outside your daycare. You're going to want high shelving for certain items that need to be kept out of reach, like mini fridge, radio, and so on. Have outlets for them installed high on the walls near those shelves so kids can't pull the cords. When it comes to security, look into installing a buzzer system. You can install it in a vestibule where parents can wait to be buzzed in. If this sounds pricey, you can work out the alternatives before you open and take a look at the options Hopping In gives you for earning extra revenue. Daycare center construction can take a lot of time, which is why it's good to give yourself some extra breathing room and hire architects who have experience in building daycares. And once your daycare is made to satisfy both your and the licensing authority's standards, it's time to set up your daycare. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for part 5, classroom signage and daycare center setup basics. For other helpful advice, check out our blog on hoppingin.com. Thank you for watching and see you in part 5.